Ang wishes ko lang sa kanila, sana they stay together for a long time and have a happy family life. Okay? Wala ako kasi dito. I don't live here. Sa California ako nakatira. I just came to visit them. Kaya yun. Alam ko na before I came na merong baby na dadating. So, talagang sinabi ko kay Joshua na they have to get married. And hindi pwede yung live-in, I'm not for that. Tsaka it's unfair sa bride, sa babae. Kaya yun ang ano ko sa kanila, that they stay together forever. It doesn't matter to me kung ano bigay ng, whatever God's prefer. I cannot, hindi ko aanuhin na boy or girl. Whether it's a boy or girl, I'll still be my apo.
I wish she has a happy birth and everything goes well for her. And she doesn't have a painful time. And I hope everything goes smoothly for her. Boy. Can't be 100% in it. It could be 50-50. But yeah, I hope I'm right, but I don't know. But I like girl babies as well. I don't mind. As long as it's got 10 toes, 10 fingers, and everything's in the right place, I don't care.
Ang wish ko, kasi unang ako, so sana tawag dito, magampanan niya yung pagiging mother niya, tsaka maging ready siya, kasi mahirap ang maging nanay. Tapos, ang expectation ko, ayun na nga yun, sa tingin ko, para sa akin na gusto ko, boy. Feeling ko, boy.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Ivy and Josh Gender Reveal.
Give it up for Josh and Ivy!
Expectation ko sa event na to, magiging masaya dahil nandito kayo, saka pumunta yung mga kaibigan ko, pamilya ko, at malalapit din kay Angel. Tapos ang wishes ko sa kay Angel, matupad niya pa yung pangarap niya. I-pursue niya yung pangarap niya. Tapos ang wish ko naman kay Baby, tuparin niya yung pangarap niya, bahala siya sa buhay niya. Tapos, ang hula ko, girl. Girl. Kasi gusto ko mini Ivory eh. Ayun lang naman.
Wishes siguro maging okay yung pregnancy and yung pagpanganak. Sana normal. Para hindi masakit yung gastos. Ayun, wishes siguro kay baby. Sana lumaking mabait, magalang, mapagmahal. And kay Josh, good luck. Ayun, lang siguro, happy family, happy life, and success for success. Maging maayos mo si baby pag kasi ayoko maging bias. Pero
70% boy. Pero kung ano man gender